what I always encourage people to do is to come back to where your own interest lies. And if you think you could get crack on with Figma, like do it. I think that's awesome. I'll share an anecdote. I worked at a company, my first like adult job in this space. This was many years ago. And I got hired as the user interface writer, which would probably be a UX writer now. And I was on a UX design team supporting way more designers than you should. And the entire design process happened in Axure. Does anyone use Axure? No, right? So the whole design process at that time happened in Axure. And the whole time I worked there, I was like, oh, fuck, okay, I really got to sit down and like learn Axure. All the designers got really comfortable with it. They could just turn stuff. I was frankly always astonished at how fast they could produce stuff in this tool that I did not know how to use. And I just like, I mean, sometimes I'm laying in bed at night. I'm like, I gotta take like an Axure course or something. I'm so fucked. I don't know how to use this thing. This is so hard. And I never did. And I think my instinct was, well, but why do I also need to know this? Because this is sort of their space. And what I ended up doing was like focusing a lot more on how I worked with the designers and how I collaborated with them. And I put my energy into making tools and templates to help people think. And I made a lot of content templates for our process and used my strength, which is like kind of like worksheet design almost. And that ended up being really valuable. And it's funny to me, everyone at the time, everyone at every conference I went to, everyone who met me, everyone who wanted to get into my space would ask me then, should I be learning Axure? And none of you all have even fucking heard of it. So who knows with Figma? I think it's a great tool. I think we'll probably be using it for a while. I think they could implode and we'll all be using something else in 2 years. Who fucking knows? So don't learn Figma, learn front end design. Don't learn learn thinky things, brain things. Do them with tools.